Hi everybody, I'm Judy.
And I'm TJ. And today we are going to show you the brand new camera we just bought. We're going to unbox it right here for you on YouTube and see what it's all about. We're shooting this right now on an iPhone, which is very similar to this. It was the one that actually I replaced this with, is the one we're shooting this video with. And amongst that, we've been using an action cam as well as an older Canon HD camcorder that I've had for several years, and some combination thereof have been how we made all of our videos. And to be quite truthful, I am not happy with the quality of our first 7 or 8 videos. I think the content was pretty decent, but when you're just bouncing around from all these different cameras and their pixels don't quite match up and all that, it's just not the quality we were looking for. Not to mention all the stuff you have to carry around with it. We have a special holder for this because if you've ever tried to shoot video like this, you're just not very steady. So you have to have a little, some kind of device to hold that. If you're going to use one of these, you got to have some kind of a selfie stick or something so you can, get it away from you for getting other shots like that. And the other thing we have to deal with is we use a wireless microphone system, lavalier mics, for when we're out and about, so you can hear us. Judy is very soft-spoken, in case you haven't figured that out. See what I mean? So we like to mic things up. So this, for example, does not accept an external microphone. This will. So when you bounce back and forth, the audio quality can be crappy. So anyway, we decided to go ahead and invest some money in our channel and buy a brand new camera. What did we get?
We got the DJI Pocket Creator combo.
Pocket Creator combo. So I'm going to open this up. I haven't. It's been sitting here. It's been killing me. It's been here about 3 hours now. I have not opened it up yet. I wanted to save it and share it with you guys. So Clint from Franchise Kicks. I can't find my spring-assisted knife, but if I had it, that was for you, bud. Wouldn't that suck if I just stabbed something important in here and like my hand or camera? All right. Ooh, nice packaging.
It's an iPhone.
It's an iPhone. All right, so there you go. And this, you'll see right on the top, first thing you may notice is this is an RB unit. This is a, I forget what the term they use, but it's refurbished essentially. These retail, let's see if I can get this, for $3.99. Actually, I think the non-furbished ones. Let me just look this up real quick.
Non-refurbished.
Non-refurbished. DJI Pocket Creator combo. Okay, so if you buy this, if you just buy this brand new, you're going to spend $499. So we saved a little money by buying a rebranded, refurbished. The reason I chose this particular camera is it got great reviews for being very simple to use and very versatile. It will accept external microphones. It shoots in 4K, which we don't do a lot of 4K stuff right now, but it's nice to know that in the future that is. She's afraid the knife's going to go flying out of my hand at her. In the future, though, 4K might be something we want to do if we have something really particularly spectacular to show you. I'm just going to use this as kind of a lever here. Wow, this is some serious packaging here. Let's put a piece of tape on there or something, maybe?
Surprise, it's empty.
Shocker. Oh, there we go. That might have something to do with it. All right. So we open it up. First thing you're going to notice is there is an app that goes along with this. And what I learned in my research is the app is how you update the unit. And you can also use your phone as a monitor if you choose to do so. I think I know what that is, and that'll come later. But okay, looks like some accessories. This is going to be as a microphone cover. Okay, this must be the microphone. When you buy, you can buy the camera separately. We bought the kit because it comes with this little wireless microphone setup it's a handheld mic, but it comes with it. And these are going to be some things. This is a, I'll get into this later, but this is a little attachment you can use so you can use a joystick to control the zoom in and zoom out. I think this right here is going to be the actual camera itself.
Better be.
Better be. Yeah, this box, I mean, this box literally is no bigger than an iPhone box. And here it is. This is the entire camera. Oh, did I mention it has a built-in gimbal?
Charlie gimbal.
Jolly gimbal. But there it is. That is the entire camera. As you see, this is a 3-axis stabilizing gimbal, which means as you're walking and you kind of bounce your step, this is going to hold it steady. And it is, man, that's neat. What do you think about that? Hold that. How's that feel in your hand?
It's really heavy.
It ain't heavy, it's my brother. If you're old, you might get that. It was a little before my time, but I threw it out there anyway.
It's very cool.
Okay, these are going to be all your different, there's a lanyard, your charging cables. It does come with a lens cap that allows you to go for a wider angle if you're doing some more things close up.
It's got glamour effects.
It's got glamour effect. I don't think it has glamour effects.
Right, so glamour effects.
Oh, okay, if it's in the description, it must be true. This is pretty cool. Look how tiny that is. I mean, look at that. I don't have particularly big hands. You literally can stick this in your pocket and do your thing. And down here's gonna be the, okay, here's the rest of the attachments. All right. This is a tripod that'll screw into the base of the microphone unit, which is gonna be right here. This is a receiver charging unit, and it also allows you to add an 1/8 inch or a 3.5 millimeter jack. So if you want to plug in a wireless microphone or a wired microphone, if you just want to clip on a lavalier mic, you can do that. That's going to pop onto the bottom of this. This is the wireless microphone, which is cool. There is a windsock for it here. You don't know what windsock is. It's just it looks like a little dust, a little feather duster that you put on top, and what that does, it helps kind of mitigate if you have any wind blowing or anything like that, which if you've seen actually I just finished editing it and posted it last week, our National Corvette Museum. When we got there, the wind was blowing like crazy.
Needs a haircut.
It needs a haircut. That's going to fit right on there. So it has a little wind sock on it, kind of help you with that.
It's like the raccoon skin cap.
And I'm not sure what this is. This looks like an attachment you'd snap on the bottom. It's got a 1/4 thread, so if you want to put it on a tripod or something like that. So all in all, it appears everything is here, and that's always a bonus. Now the other thing they do that's real neat is all these accessories clip into this little carrying case, so you don't have to worry about somewhere else to store this. You literally can carry all this in one shot. But there it is. I'm excited to charge this up and get out and use it. We'll be posting some video for it here pretty soon. In fact, I'm probably going to do a review on the wireless microphone system we use, and we'll use our brand new camera to do that. So that is that's going to wrap it up. What do you think? Do you think you can see yourself using that? You don't have to look through it. I don't think. I think you just point and film. Point and film. But there it is. This is the DJI Pocket Creator, the Pocket 2 Creator Combo. Well, hopefully this works out great and all of our videos are going to look better. Thanks for watching. What should people do right now, you think?
Like,
yes,
subscribe,
yes,
and ring that bell.
Ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you soon.
Peace.
You're awesome.
Oh, what a good girl. What a good girl.
Before we leave,
What a good girl.
you see her in all of our in our intro. This is Jules. She is 2 weeks past a haircut, so she's a little scruffy right now.
Month.
All right, a month.